In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your Snapchat public profile picture step by step. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it has helped out the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Obviously, begin by opening up the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon up in the top left corner. This is going to take you to a page that looks like this. This is your account page. And up at the very top, you're going to see two different tabs, My Account and Public Profile. Go ahead and select Public Profile. This is going to redirect you to a page that looks something like this, which is your public profile layout. And if you don't have a picture set, you'll see an empty profile page in this area. Go ahead and tap the pencil icon near that, and it'll go ahead and allow you to upload it. Or what you could do is hit the pencil icon and then hit the pencil icon again, and you can go ahead and choose one from your library. This is the one that I currently have set. It's a little outdated, but you know what? It works. Obviously, you can move it in, adjust it, zoom in, whatever you got to do. Whenever you're ready, just hit confirm and your new public profile is now going to be live. You could obviously edit this at any point too, and you can also edit your bio and your background image. Everything on your public profile is very customizable. And that is how you could change your Snapchat public profile. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.